Hi everyone, this is an introduction to polar coordinates. The first thing, basic information here that if you don't already know is that you're used to rectangular coordinates with the x and y, which is an ordered pair. And polar coordinates have a ray, that's your r, and your theta, which is your angle. So this is your ray, and this is your theta. Also, instead of an xy, we have a pole. It's called a pole. Let me do this in green. That's your origin, so to speak. That's the pole. And a polar axis, which just is this part. So basically, when you're talking polar coordinates, you have your pole and your polar axis. And then you're going to go around to get your angles. So example, in this figure, here's my pole, here's my polar axis, here's my angle, and here's my ray. So my ray is here, and the ray is like how many units. We're going to go over that in just a minute. So basically, my point would be r ray comma theta. So let me show you an example. We have, this is our point, and we're going to plot the pole and the polar axis right here. Now, what we're going to do is go around to 2 pi over 3, which is basically about here. Okay, so I'm drawing the ray here, and this angle is 2 pi over 3. Let me just make this plus first. So the 3 part is where you're going up 3 units. So if I go up 3 units on the ray, it's be 1, 2, 3, then that's your point. All right? It's going up 3, and then it's 2 pi over 3. Now let's do another example where we can do the point as negative 3 and 2 pi over 3. So we draw our pole and our polar axis. I'm going to draw about an angle of 120 degrees, or 2 pi over 3, which is here. Instead of going up 3, I still have my angle at 2 pi over 3. I'm going to just draw a line here going down this way, and I'm going to go down 3. So this point is negative 3 comma 2 pi over 3. Okay? The next example, I'm going to have exact polar grids, and we're going to plot several polar coordinates. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.